Greetings to everyone. To add a smooth transition between videos, first we need to add 2 videos from the top left by clicking on the plus signs. Here I have 2 videos with cats. And to add a transition between them, we need to click on the transitions button at the top left. That is a transition. And a list of transitions opens up for us. We can choose any of them there. Each of them is quite smooth. On the right, we can choose the duration of the transition itself. It cannot be more than half a second. You can make it more quick, but it will not look as smooth. I hope this video was useful for you.